Hi, this is Raj from MR Sportscars. I'm just leaving Reading Station and I'm quite excited because I'm going to pick up a lovely 992 Carrera S in Aventurine green that I know very well because I sourced it specifically for a very good friend of mine who I go to Le Mans with for the 24-hour race, things like that. He's really enjoyed the car, but he's sadly emigrating, so he's going to need to sell the car. So I'm taking it back and I'll show you it in a second. So I'm just leaving the station now. I've just got my tray plates with me. Out the back of Reading Station, it's much quieter and easier to pick someone up, but yeah, this car is absolutely epic. It's got the sport design kit, it's got the factory stripes. Here she is, lovely 991 Carrera S, all ready for our trip. Okay, so I've picked up this beautiful 911 Carrera S. I didn't want to hang around too long on my customer's drive and my friend's drive filming it, but it's covered just over 20,000 miles. It's an absolutely beautiful spec, and I've actually, even though I didn't advertise it, I did do all of the paperwork. So I've got all of the paperwork from when he bought it, and it's just got such a mega spec. It's got the sport design package, it's Aventurine green metallic, I don't know if I'm saying that right, sports exhaust system, PASM, power steering plus, alloy wheels finishing Aurum silk gold, the Carrera S Mark V wheels, keyless entry. It's got the surround headlights, surround cameras, Porsche dynamic lighting system with LED matrix bulbs, bows. I mean, it's just an absolute mega spec. I haven't seen another one since the 18-way adaptive hardback sport seats as well. Yeah, just absolutely beautiful in here. I mean, it's, yeah, they've really moved on in terms of the styling in these cars. Well, let me just show you. I mean, it's obviously very dirty at the moment. It will have a proper detail with us, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. I'm looking forward to driving it back to the premises, get my teeth into getting it all ready. But yeah, really fantastic. Just look at those wheels, look at the color of the paintwork, absolutely beautiful. And I'll do a video when I'm back at the premises, probably another clip just explaining what it was like to drive as well. I mean, I just love things like these. I mean, it's a bit of a fancy thing for the door handles to pop out and then pop back in when you're done with them. But yeah, it's a beautiful car. Very much looking forward to yeah, getting to know it a bit better. The last time I had it, literally had it for a couple of days because, as I said, it was sourced for my good friend, and I then basically had to just quickly clean it, and then he picked it up. He took it. I took some quick pictures of it, which I've already shared on places like Instagram and things, and I put together the file. But basically, I didn't really get a chance to get to know this beautiful car, so this time I definitely will. And it may be the start of stocking more 992s. I really hope so. Okay, I've made it back. Absolutely buzzing. I have to say, this car is just absolutely sensational. It is just a tour de force. Done just under 50 miles to bring it back. M40, M25. I think it's the 404 around St Albans, and then up the A1 for a couple of junctions. And yeah, I just feel absolutely buzzing this car. I mean, just listen to that sound. It's got this drive mode button, which I didn't realise if you press that middle one, it has like sport response for 20 seconds. But you can also have sport plus, individual, normal, wet. I had it on sport mode the whole time. I didn't really use cruise control either. It was just absolutely phenomenal. I just think this car is absolutely ferocious. I mean, just listen to that. Just sounds so mean. Looks, I think, absolutely epic. And I'm really looking forward to, as I said, get under the skin, under the metal of this beautiful 992. I think I'll struggle to find another one as special as this. So yeah, I'll be doing a few more videos on this, probably a driving video, obviously a walk around video when I have it up for sale, and possibly a few more as well while I've got a 992 in. Might as well make the most of it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe. If you have any questions about 992s or any other Porsche 911s, Caymans, Boxers, Macans, the type of stuff we specialise in, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.